Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok Live not working. So if you're using an iPhone and trying to go live on TikTok but facing any issues with TikTok Live, I'll guide you on how to solve this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your TikTok app. Go to your profile, tap on the three lines, and then click on Settings and Privacy. After that, you'll see the live option. Simply tap on it, then click on Live Events. Here, you first need to create a live event. Once you do that, you'll receive a notification, and when you click on it, you should be able to go live easily. Now for the second step, go to Free Up Space, clear the cache, and remove all unnecessary data from TikTok. Once done, go back, open your App Store, and search for the TikTok app. Check if there's an update available. If your app isn't updated, make sure to update it. Next, go to your settings, tap on General, then open iPhone storage and select TikTok. If you remember your TikTok login details, you can offload the TikTok app. After that, reinstall it and log back into your account. Once you follow these steps, your TikTok Live problem will be fixed. So guys, that's the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.